Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome to MedCode Insight. Hi, I am Nushaba, a certified medical coder. In this video, we will discuss spine orthodesis, a very important topic of the musculoskeletal system, along with guidelines and practice questions to help you to easily grasp the concept. So, without further ado, let's get started. Orthodesis refers to orthopedic surgery in which two or more bones in a joint are fused to become a one larger bone. Spine orthodesis is categorized into four main techniques, each with specific code range for proper classification. The lateral extracavity approach technique is represented by code 22532 to 22534. The anterior or anterior lateral approach technique is covered under code 22548 to 22586. The posterior or posterior lateral or lateral transverse process technique is identified by code 22590 to 22634. Finally, procedures related to spine deformities such as scoliosis or kyphosis are classified under codes 22800 to 22819. These code ranges help distinguish the different surgical approaches and their application in spine fusion procedures. The lateral extracavity approach technique, represented by code 22532 and 22533, involves minimal dissectomy and is classified based on the specific vertebral region treated. The add-on code 22534 applies to each additional segment treated within the thoracic or lumbar region. In the anterior or anterolateral approach technique, CPT code 22548 refers to the fusion of first and second cervical vertebra through either a transoral or extraoral approach. CPT code 22551 includes the preparation of the disc space, dissectomy, ossificectomy, and decompression of spinal cord and a nerve root below C2 in the cervical spine. CPT code 22554 involves a minimal dissectomy to prepare the interspace, excluding decompression for level below C2 in the cervical spine. An important guideline to note that there is a single combined decompression or fusion code 22551 at the same level during the same session. Don't use a separate standalone anterior cervical orthodesis code 22554 with a separate anterior cervical dissectomy or decompression code 63075 at the same spinal level. Use the combined decompression or orthodesis code 22551 instead. In posterior, posterolateral, or lateral transverse process technique, code 22590 is used for orthodesis of second cervical vertebra in the neck to the base of the cranium. Code 22595 is used to perform orthodesis of first two vertebrae of the neck. Code 22600 uses posterior or posterolateral technique to perform orthodesis of single interspace of the cervical region below C2 segment. Both codes 22630 and 22633 are related to spinal orthodesis procedure, specifically lumbar spine interbody fusion, but they represent different techniques. Code 22630 uses posterior interbody technique and code 22633 uses combined posterior or posterolateral technique with posterior interbody technique to perform orthodesis of the lumbar region. Both codes include laminectomy and or dissectomy to prepare interspace other than for decompression. Code 22800 to 22808 are used for spinal orthodesis procedures to treat spinal deformities. Code 22800 is for posterior and code 22808 is for anterior orthodesis. In both cases, the surgeon may apply a body cast to support the spine after the procedure. Subcodes for these procedures specify the number of vertebral segments involved in the fusion. Code 22818 is used for the treatment of several spinal deformities, such as those caused by the spina bifida or kyphosis. Kyphectomy involves the excision of one or more complete vertebral segments to correct the abnormal curvature and relieve associated pain. Spine or vertebral column includes cervical, thoracic, and lumbar spine. Here are some important guidelines you need to know while coding for spine vertebral column orthodesis. When coding orthodesis with bone grafting, report bone grafting separately in addition to orthodesis. When coding orthodesis with spinal instrumentation and grafts, report orthodesis first, then code for spinal instrumentation, and then code for bone grafting. For orthodesis with another procedure like osteotomy, carpectomy, or laminectomy, and spinal instrumentation and bone graft, report procedure first, then report orthodesis with modifier 51, then code for spinal instrumentation, and at the end code for bone grafting. Always remember bone grafts and instrumentation are never performed without orthodesis. If two surgeons perform distinct part of the procedure, modifier 62 should be used to report the surgeon's distinct operative work. Don't append Modify 62 to the bone graft codes or spinal instrumentation codes. To select the correct code quickly within a minute, follow these key steps. For the orthodesis, choose the code based on the approach. It may be lateral, anterior, posterior, or for the spinal deformities like scoliosis or kyphosis. If orthodesis is performed with additional procedures like osteotomy, fracture care, vertebral corpectomy, or laminectomy, report the orthodesis code with modifier 51. For the bone grafting, select the code based on the type of the graft. It may be allograft, autograft, morcellized, or structure. For spinal instrumentation, choose the code based on whether the instrumentation is segmental or non-segmental and whether it is anterior or posterior. Always remember, do not depend modify 62 or 51 to the bone graft or spinal instrumentation codes. Lily suffered a burst fracture to her lumbar spine during a skiing accident. Dr. Jessa performed a partial corpectomy to L2 by a transperitoneal approach followed by anterior orthodesis of L1 to L3. She also positioned anterior instrumentation and placed a structure allograft to L1 to L3. How would Dr. Jessa report this procedure? Option A with the code 63090, 22,558 along with modifier 51, 22,585, 22,845, 20,931. Option B with the code 63085, 22,533, 22,585 along with modifier 51, 22,808 along with modifier 59. Option C with the code 22,612 into 2, 22,808, 22,840 along with modifier 51, 20,931. Option D with the code 22,558, 22,858 along with modifier 51, 22,845 along with modifier 51, and 20,931 along with modifier 59. In the given scenario, the procedure performed was a partial corpectomy at L2 via a transperitoneal approach followed by anterior orthodesis of L1 to L3. Anterior instrumentation was also positioned and a structure allograft was placed at L1 to L3. Since the procedure includes both vertebral surgery and orthodesis, along with the addition of instrumentation and bone graft, we follow the guideline that when the orthodesis is performed in conjunction with another procedure, it should be reported with original procedure using modified 51 for multiple procedure, and in addition include instrumentation and bone grafts codes. Based on this guideline, our correct option is option A. To verify this, we will analyze the code description provided in other options and demonstrate why they do not align with the procedure described. We eliminate option B because code 63085 is used for vertebral corpectomy partial or complete with transthoracic approach to the thoracic segment, and also based on the modifier used with instrumentation and bone grafts codes. In the given scenario, anterior orthodesis was performed. We eliminate option C as code 22612 is used for orthodesis with posterior or posterolateral technique. We can easily eliminate option D based on the modifier used with instrumentation and bone graft codes, as these are add-on codes and we can't use modifier 51 or 59 with any of them. So the correct option is option A with code 63090 used for vertebral corpectomy partial or complete transperitoneal or retroperitoneal approach of the lower thoracic, lumbar or sacral single segment. Code 22558 is used for orthodesis anterior interbody technique including minimal discectomy to prepare the interspace in the lumbar region. In the given scenario, since orthodesis of two interspaces is performed, we use the add-on code 22585 for each additional interspace. Add-on code 22845 is used for anterior instrumentation of 2 to 3 vertebral segments, and add-on code 20931 is used for structure allograft. Dr. Harris completed an anterior orthodesis vision with a structure allograft and minimal discectomy at L1 to L2, L3 to L4, and L4 to L5. Anterior instrumentation was required and inserted for stabilization of the entire lumbar region. How should Dr. Avis report this procedure? Option A with the code 22612, 22614 into 2, 20931, 22846. Option B with the code 22558, 22585 into 2, 20931, 22846. Option C with the code 22558, 22585 into 2, 20931 along with modifier 51, 22846 along with modifier 62. Option D with the code 63075, 22558, 22614 into 2, 20931 along with modifier 51 and 22846 along with modifier 62. In the given scenario, the doctor performed anterior orthodesis vision with the structure allograft and minimal discectomy at L1 to L5 and inserted anterior instrumentation for stabilization of the entire lumbar region. To start narrowing the correct orthodesis code to report, first need to determine the surgical approach. The scenario tells us that the anterior orthodesis fusion was performed, eliminating option A with code 22612, which is used for the orthodesis with posterior or posterolateral technique. As in the scenario minimal discectomy is performed, we will also eliminate option D with code 63075 used for discectomy. In both option B and C, code 22558 is used for orthodesis anterior interbody technique, including minimal dissectomy to prepare the interspace of the lumbar region. Option C can be easily eliminated based on the modifier used with the instrumentation and bone graft codes. As these are add-on codes, we cannot use modifier 51 or 62 with any of them. So our correct option is option B. With code 22558 is used for orthodesis anterior interbody technique, including minimal dissectomy to prepare the interspace of the lumbar region. In the given scenario, since orthodesis of three interspaces performed, we will use 2 units of the add-on code 22585 for each additional interspace. Add-on code 20931 is used for structure allograft, and add-on code 22846 is used for anterior instrumentation of 4 to 6 vertebrae segments. A general surgeon and a neurosurgeon are performing an osteotomy on the L4 vertebral segment. The general surgeon establishes the opening using an anterior approach. While the neurosurgeon performs the osteotomy, the general surgeon performs the dissectomy. After completion, the general surgeon closes the patient up. Option A, with the code 22224 along with modifier 59 for the general surgeon and 22224 along with modifier 54 for the neurosurgeon. Option B, with the code 22224 along with modifier 62 for general surgeon, 22,224 along with modifier 62 for the neurosurgeon. Option C, with the code 22,224 for the general surgeon and 22,224 along with modifier 62 for the neurosurgeon. Option D, with the code 22,224 for general surgeon and 22,224 along with modifier 80 for the neurosurgeon. In the given scenario, two surgeons work together as primary surgeon performing distinct parts of osteotomy procedure. According to the osteotomy guidelines, when two surgeons work together as primary surgeons performing distinct parts of the anterior spine osteotomy, each surgeon should report their distinct operative verb by appending modified 62 to the procedure code. Each surgeon should report the co-surgery once using the same procedure code. Based on this guideline, we will eliminate option A and D as well as the option C because the modifier 62 should be used for each procedure code to indicate the distinct operative work of each surgeon. So our correct option is option B with the code 22224 used for osteotomy of the spine including dissectomy anterior approach single vertebral segment of the lumbar region. After adequate anesthesia was obtained, the patient was turned prone in the kneeling position on the spinal table. A lower midline lumbar incision was made and the soft tissues divided down to the spinous processes. The soft tissues were stripped away from the lamina down to the facet, and dissectomies and laminectomies were then carried out at L3 to L4, L4 to L5, and L5 to S1 level. Interbody fusions were set up for the lower three levels using the Danek allograft and augmented with structure autogenous bone from the iliac crest. The posterior instrumentation of 5.5 mm diameter titanium rod was then cut to the appropriate length and bent to conform to the normal lordic curve. It was then slid immediately onto the bone screw, and at each level, compression was carried out as each of two bolts were tightened so that the interbody fusion would be sunk and as tight as possible. Select the appropriate CPT codes for this visit. Option A with the code 22,612, 22,614 into 2, 22,842, 20,938, 20,930. Option B with the code 22,533, 22,534 into 2, 22,842. Option C with the code 22,630, 22,632 into 2, 22,842, 20,938, 20,930. Option D with the code 22,554, 22,632 into 2, 22,842. In this scenario, the patient underwent disectomies and laminectomies at L3 to L4, L4 to L5, and L5 to S1 for interbody fusion procedure or orthodesis utilizing allograft augmented with structure autogenous bone graft followed by the application of the posterior instrumentation. To start narrowing the correct orthodesis code to report, we first need to determine the surgical approach. The scenario tells us that the patient was placed in prone position and a lumbar incision was made, indicating a posterior approach, eliminating multiple choice B with code 22,533 used for lateral and option D with code 22,554 using anterior approach for orthodesis. The next bit of information to look for is the technique that was used for orthodesis, which was in this scenario was interbody fusion technique, eliminating option A with code 22,612 used for orthodesis with posterior lateral technique. So our correct option is option C with code 22,630, which is used for orthodesis posterior interbody technique, including laminectomy and disectomy to prepare single interspace lumbar. In the given scenario, since orthodesis of three interspaces is performed, we use 2 units of the add-on code 22,632 for each additional interspace. Add-on code 22,842 is for posterior segmental instrumentation for 3 to 6 vertebral segment. Add-on code 20,938 is for autograft for spine surgery, only structure bicortical or tricortical, and add-on code 20,930 is for allograft moisturized or placement of osteopromotive material for spine surgery only. A 36-year-old female patient present with acute onset of severe pain since October. Her workup has revealed evidence of disc herniation with loss of lordosis at the C5 to C6. Intraoperative findings were consistent with two large fragments of free disc fragments in the foramen at the C5 to C6 on the right side. After general anesthesia, the patient was placed on the operative table in the supine position. All pressure points were cushioned and a transverse skin incision was fashioned under fluoroscopic guidance over the C5 to C6 disc space. Dissection through the platysma eventually allowed for exposure of the anterior antrus to the vertebral body of C5 and C6 and retractor were inserted to maintain adequate exposure. The operating microscope was brought into the field. Caspar posts were placed and slight distraction allowed exposure. A complete dissectomy was performed at C5 to C6 by using end-plate curettes, pituitary rongers, and Kerrison rongers. The posterior longitudinal ligament was resected, and beneath the posterior longitudinal ligament, two significant side disc fragments were noted in the foramen at the C5 to C6. These were removed using pituitary and Dacre instruments. The end plates were then decorticated so that they were parallel to each other, and a midline keel was performed on anterior, posterior, and lateral fluoroscopy. A size 1 by 5 mm interbody canflexi device was placed under fluoroscopic guidance. Satisfied with the positioning of the device, the decision was made to close. What is the correct CPT code for this procedure? Option A with the code 63075, option B with the code 63081, option C with the code 22856, option D with the code 22,554. In the given scenario, a complete dissectomy was performed at C5 to C6 using the end plate curates, which is the key detail to help to select the correct code and eliminate incorrect options. Based on this keyword, we can begin by eliminating option A, which refer to code 63075, which is used for the dissectomy anterior with decompression of spinal cord and a nerve root. This code is not appropriate because it specified decompression of the spinal cord or nerve root, which is not mentioned in the procedure described. So option A does not align with the described scenario and is therefore incorrect. We will also eliminate option B with code 60081 used for vertebral corpectomy, partial or complete anterior approach with decompression of spinal cord and a nerve root cervical single segment. As there is no documentation of the vertebra being fused together, we will also eliminate option D with code 22554 used for anterior orthodesis with interbody technique. So our correct option is option C with code 22856 used for total disc arthroplasty, anterior approach including dissectomy with end plate preparation, single interspace cervical. Thank you for watching. If you have any question or need further clarification, please feel free to write in the comment section. For more detailed guidelines, CPC mock exam related questions and notes, email me at the giving email ID.